Hi, I'm Peter Sidwell and welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'm going to show you how to bake the most delicious focaccia bread using this pan from MasterClass. This one is my absolute favourite go-to utility pan. 4 litre shallow. It's in the lovely kind of duck egg blue, light blue colour. It's absolutely perfect for mixing, proving and baking the most delicious focaccia bread. So first of all, let's get our flour in. Strong bread flour, 500 grams, straight into your pan. Love these pans. I use them on induction, I use them in the oven, I bake in them, I poach in them, I fry with them, everything. You've got to get one of these, they're perfect. Right, 10 grams of salt in, 7 grams of dried yeast, in we go. Good drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, okay? But keep that, we'll need it later. And then 325 mils of water. In it goes. Get your hand like open like this, like a claw, and just put it in the pan and just roll it around. And just keep moving it and moving it and moving it until you end up with what's termed as a shaggy dough. So not a perfect, beautiful dough. It's a shaggy dough, all right? Because it's all kind of gnarly and not perfect, but that's what you want, okay? So let's mix it. I've got a little bit more water to add. There we go. Add that in. And this is the basis for our dough, all right? So we're gonna mix this until the dough comes pretty clean away from the bowl, yeah? So it's going to take about a minute, that's all. So there, it's clean from the bowl, or the pan, should I say, and it's in my hand. Grab some more of your extra virgin olive oil, pour it in there, and then put your dough straight on to the oil. Okay, and then turn it over. Make sure the dough is all shiny with that lovely olive oil. So just turn the dough over in the oil so it's completely coated, and that is it. Put the lid on and leave it for a couple of hours. This dough has sat for 2 hours and it is just chilled out. Room temperature, no air in cupboards, none of that business. Just leave it on the side and get on with your day. And look what we've got. This is a beautiful proved dough. Put a little bit of that extra virgin olive oil on your hands and that'll stop it sticking. Okay? And then, look, can you see? We've now got this beautiful stretchy dough. It's full of air, okay? So a focaccia, we just sort of press those lovely little dimples in there. Now, I've got a jacket potato left over from last night. This is a very Tuscan style focaccia. They use potato and rosemary on top of their breads. So just take it, break it up into pieces, skin the lot. Honestly, trust me, it's absolutely delicious. It's really, really nice. Just tear it up into pieces and push it into the top of the dough. So push the potato down right to the bottom of the focaccia dough and then let the bread sort of come up around the potato, yeah? Take your rosemary now, it grows that way, so we push it down that way. And then just sprinkle it over the top. I absolutely love rosemary, so I'm going big, all right? Loads of it. You need to use fresh for this. Dried rosemary, not an option, okay? Just spread it all out, and then we're gonna finish it with just a little bit more extra virgin olive oil, because that's what focaccia's for, olive oil. And then sea salt, okay? So I use table salt in the dough, the cheap stuff, and then nice sea salt for the top, okay? Sprinkle that on. Give it 10 minutes just to relax after we've manipulated it and moved it about. Put your fingertips in, create those little reservoirs where the dough can rise up and the oil soak into the bread to make an amazing focaccia. Once you've done that, bake it 200 degrees in the pan and it will make the most perfect focaccia. Right, focaccia is baked. Look at that. Let me lift this out so you can see how beautifully it bakes in our 4 litre cast aluminium. Look at that. That is what you want to see. Let me lift it out. There we go. What you want to do is, while it's warm and fresh out of the oven, finish it with olive oil because it's porous and it wants to drink more oil. As I said to you before, this bread is all about lovely extra virgin olive oil. You don't butter this bread, okay? You just serve it up and tuck in. But there you go. That is a masterclass on how you bake the most beautiful potato and rosemary focaccia using your MasterClass 4-litre shallow pan. If you want to win one of these cast aluminium pans from MasterClass, it's a 4-litre shallow, perfect for baking one of these beautiful focaccias. Follow my channel, it'll enter you into the competition in the UK, and I'll send you a pan.